Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about grouped discrete data. We're in chapter 11, section E. There's not an example, but there's some data that's given in the book to kind of explain this situation. So sometimes we have a lot of numbers, and some of those numbers don't, a lot of them just have a frequency of 1. And so it makes more sense to group data together. And so if I saw data like this, what I would do to put it in a table, so this is data on how many cars drove by a kindergarten over like each day. So 27 the first day, 30 the second day, 17, so on. And so we're going to create a table. So number of cars, and then we're just going to count them in different ranges. So 0 to 9, and then 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, and then 50 to 59. So once again, I'm going to skip the the tally and just jump to the frequency. So numbers that are in between 0 and 9, or just one digit, we only have one of those. So I'm going to write that down. And then numbers that have a 1 in front of them, in other words, so 10 to 19. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I miss one? I feel like I missed one right here. 5. So this one goes here. Now numbers that have a 2 in front of them, so 20 to 29. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got all those. And then let's do, what color? White, I guess. Okay, now numbers with 3's in front of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got all those. So that goes with that one. Now numbers with 4 in front of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we just have this 52 that would fall into this category. Okay. So once again, we'd want to add these up and make sure they add up to the total of 30 days that they watched. And it does. And that's basically how we would do it on a table. And then if we're doing a graph, we do frequency over here. 10 is the highest frequency. So we do 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. And then we would just write them down kind of in their groupings. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. All right, so for 0 to 9, we only had 1. So we're just going to make it go that high. And then for this one, it's a 5. So we're going to make that go up to 5 down there. And for the yellow one is our biggest one. So that goes up to 10. It goes from 20 to 30. And the white one goes to 9, so just below that. And that's 30 to 39. And then we have our purple one. That's only 4 tall. And I guess our other purple one. It's also like that. Okay, that's how we put it in a frequency graph, or a bar graph. What do they call them? A column graph. So if you need additional help, come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.